Matthew Jorgensen, Australian Computer Society Project Manager for the ICT Gateway to Industry Schools project. The Gateway to Industry Schools program is a unique Queensland program. It's proudly supported by and funded by the Queensland Government, and it's been going for over a decade. There are 10 industries in the program, and ACS has the contract for the ICT project. So essentially the project connects schools, teachers and students with ICT industry professionals to provide experiential learning and skills that are needed in the workplace. So the main goal of the program is to ensure that we promote careers in tech and we build the numbers, build the pipeline of students going into a career in technology. This type of program can directly impact the number of workers moving into the ICT sector. Now, because these ICT workers, they power these tech companies. We've got great tech companies like Atlassian and Canva that have come out of Australia, but technology and ICT powers every single industry across the board. So we need a larger number of workers. We need 66,000 workers a year, and we're only getting 7,000 IT graduates. So we need more workers to come into our industry through that study pathway at secondary schools, into vocational education or tertiary education, and then into the industry, so that we can drive the economy, because it is more and more increasingly a digital economy.
My name's David Wayne. I'm the National Practice Manager for the education sector at Data3. I think the main advantage in engaging with the program is that we're able to actively contribute to the development of the skills pipeline, but it also helps us understand how we can work with schools to better prepare students for the future of work.
My name is Lou Polger. I'm the Executive Principal here at Kelvin Grove State College. Gateway to Industry School program helps schools and the students in the schools to affirm, inspire and clarify what their future careers might be. The partnerships with industry enable the students to get a real-world glimpse of what the career is like that they think they want to go into. It also allows our industry partners to understand the sophistication of a 21st century student. Their point of reference is often back when they were at school, so it's important that they understand the attributes and skills of a 21st century student. The college has a number of Gateway to Industry School programs, and these programs are advantageous for our students because they get the opportunity to experience the real-world industry, an industry that they think is their passion. They get to develop relationships with the industry partners. The partners get to understand the sophistication of their skill sets, their 21st century skills, the soft skills as a lot of people call them, and the partners develop a relationship and work out whether there's a pathway for those students. For the students, it's a confirmation of where they think they want to go, but that relationship can be long-term. It can be a direct transition from high school into the industry. It could be a transition or a partnership or a relationship that is supporting them while they travel through their university journey and they orbit back into that organisation once they finish university. The partnerships can sometimes also lead to part-time work for the students. The big advantage is the partners often see that the student will come into their business and they'll add value basically straight away with the skill sets that they have.
I'm Rowan Van Klinken and I'm a Year 11 student at Kelvin Grove State College. This opportunity to do work experience with Data3 was important to me because it showed me what working in an IT office environment is like, and it showed me what my future career could look like. The biggest lesson that I learned at my work experience at Data3 was that there are so many jobs out there in the IT sector. It helped me realise what areas of IT I'm interested in, and it helped me clear up what my future career might look like.